love beer. Cheers. Maybe I can only drink half of it and share the other half with you. There's only half a heart to share, so I don't see why we couldn't share my beer. Assuming you're still alive to drink it. Let's see what happens if I beer again, lol. Filtered. Unfiltered, evil. And that'd be 2 live rounds and 2 blanks. In another universe you would have used beer again, and it would have been a blank. A shame we're stuck in this one, huh? Let's see if I can improve our odds with a different shell. There's a word for that. Inversion. How about I invert your life status, huh? Oops. Guess you missed again. Guess another universe is worth betting your life on. You sure about that one? It's called the many worlds interpretation, a theory in quantum mechanics which proposes that all possible alternate histories and futures are real. In some universes I die here, but in others you do. We're just a part of a greater whole, a multiverse of infinite possibilities. So theoretically, whatever happens, it's the optimal outcome. You should try your odds in this universe for now. You might be pleasantly surprised by what you achieve. I'd achieve a lot more if you stopped spamming sound effects. And I'd achieve a lot more if I shot you. There's only one shell. It gotta be a live round, right? You should definitely shoot me. If it's live, double my money to you. Live round. Well, that was just about the stupidest thing you could have done. Ah, silly evil. Stupid is just my middle name. Fascinated, stupid, and curious. That's me. Your middle name is Stupid? Surprised your parents let you off that easily, seeing as you're also empty-headed and lacking common sense. Well, that's no fun. If you're going to steal my beer, the least you can do is share it with me. Here, feel free to drink with me. Down the rest of the glass first if you're so confident. Here's to you, glass always half empty. I think you need it more than I do. I'm beginning to think this round is set up against me. It's a 3 versus 1. Oil, me, you, and the magnifying glass. The real tragedy here is how I keep letting you do this to me again and again. I'll have to stop being so airhead in the future. The real tragedy is how you continue to allow yourself to be the lesser being. There's still hope. But with against the magnitude of my magnificence, that hope can only be quickly extinguished. Hold tight, let me take a closer look. Shoots myself with a blank. Bam, diagnosed. You have been clinically determined to have a severe case of about to die. Oh, you're so funny. Do you think you're going to live forever now? Is that it? You think you're immortal? Think you can take down God? Newsflash, diagonally shooting me in the head isn't real gunplay and neither is immortality. That's just 1 HP. Get with it. You're looking quite frail there with 1 GP. Should I call you an ambulance? Only if you think you'll survive a couple of rounds with me. I'll show you who the real doctor is. Do you want me to put that in your notes? The patient thinks she is a real doctor, is a common symptom of aspiring to be something they'll never be. Well, if that's an illness, then I'd say you have a pretty severe case of it too.